Hi, I'm Kel from Promenaid, and I'd like to give you a brief overview of the Promenaid handrail system. So a basic handrail system consists of only a few components: Promenaid handrail, aluminum extrusion, Promenaid brackets, which clip into the handrail, and Promenaid end caps, which fit in the end of the handrail to finish it off. The last component of the system is this Promenaid anti-slip vinyl extrusion, which fits into the channel of the handrail, the same channel that the brackets clip into, to complete the profile and give you a nice antibacterial and anti-slip grip on the bottom of the handrail surface. The end caps that finish off the ends of the railing are available in ADA return style, which return to the wall and comply with all the code and building requirements, or flush end caps for a modern appearance where the code compliance is not necessary. And brackets and handrail are available in a number of finishes. The most durable finish is Endura anodized finish, 18 microns thick, like the highest quality storm doors and windows. And the Endura finish comes in architectural bronze, satin black, and this champagne silver color. Promenaid offers 3 genuine wood finishes. These are wood veneers permanently bonded to the aluminum core. The veneer is 15,000ths of an inch thick. It looks and feels like real wood because it is real wood, but the thin veneer with the permanent bonding has all the mechanical strength and the compatibility with the other Promenaid fittings that our aluminum railings do. This is black walnut. We also offer red oak, both of these with a urethane finish, and unfinished red oak should you want to stain or tint the oak finish to match your particular wood. To complement the handrail finishes, there are a number of hardware finishes. This is antique brass that goes well with the architectural bronze and some of the wood finishes. We have a matte nickel finish that's the same tone as the champagne railing, and a satin black finish that matches perfectly the satin black handrail. In addition to these hardware components, Promenaid offers a large selection of shims and spacers and bends and brackets to be able to install handrail in almost any configuration. And check back with us later about new finishes that are coming on stream in the near future. Thanks for tuning in.